Hey everybody, I'm here to update you guys on the fact that I have hit 1,000 subscribers. That is a big deal to me. Thank you guys so much for being subscribers. It's been a great time making these videos. I think I've really pushed myself from riding just the same old boring trail repeatedly and usually riding alone to branching out and riding new trails almost every weekend and finding new friends to ride with and meeting people like Cobra Kyle, Matt Hunt Style, Eric from No Front Brakes, Scott Smith from Scott Smith MTB, Andrew from Bentonville, All Things Adventure is his YouTube channel. I know I'm going to forget somebody, so I probably shouldn't have even started with the shouting out channel names, but here it is. If I forgot you, hopefully I'll remember and squeeze you in the edit, but if not, I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. But anyway, the point is, I've met a lot of new people riding. I've met people without channels, just new friends in general that we can ride with. It's been a really fun time, and this whole thing is just way out of my comfort zone. There was always the thing, I think I've mentioned on another video, but basically I always said, oh, I could never ride my bike and talk to a camera, basically talking to myself on the trail. But now I'm doing that pretty frequently. I also thought I would never be sitting right here, in front of you guys, talking to a GoPro in my living room and knowing that maybe a couple hundred people are going to watch this video, which is kind of weird to me also. But again, here I am. So thank you all again for being a subscriber. I'm probably going to say that 20 times through this video, and it's going to get weird and awkward and boring. So let's move on. To celebrate 1,000 subscribers, I decided to put some upgrades on my bike. I should probably clarify that Cobra Kyle mainly did the upgrades. I just kind of stood around and helped a little since I'm pretty awful at working on my own bike. But Kyle saved me from having to go to the shop, so thanks, Kyle. I had a 2x drivetrain. It came with the bike right at the tail end of when 2xs were cool. If they were ever actually cool. It made my bike extra noisy, and I really didn't need that much range in my gears. I decided to try out an oval chainring from Absolute Black. I went with a 30-tooth chainring, and so far it seems to be working fine with my 11-speed cassette.
And then we can clean out the inside of your bottom bracket while we're at it.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Ta-da!
Nice. Oh yeah, it's dirty.
Is it?
No, I guess. I don't know.
Getting in all your holes, Chris.
Getting them clean.
Yeah.
Oh, the wife will appreciate it.
Yeah.
Getting my bottom bracket cleaned out.
So it looks like, I think it's just these two bolts. Hopefully this doesn't hold your bike together.
Pop them off, the whole thing comes apart.
Okay. The bike will never be the same.
It's all over.
That's easy.
Less maintenance.
There you go.
Boom.
See, that's a good pound. I don't know.
Oh yeah. It's way heavier than I thought it was.
Yeah. Little grease never hurt anyone.
God, my camera turned off screen. Yeah.
And they said all you have to do is push it like that. Like you don't have to hammer it in or anything. So.
The next upgrade was a new rear tire. I had been running the Bontrager XR3s forever on this bike, but they were holding me back as far as grip is concerned. I started by putting an XR4 on the front just to see how I liked it. I noticed grip was better immediately, so I decided to put one on the back too. Now I'm very aware Maxxis are considered the best tires, and I did try them a while back. The rolling resistance is insane when compared to the wimpy XC tires I used to have. You may or may not know this, but I am a mid-30s guy who is not in the best shape. I just graduated from couch potato about 4 years ago. I did not need anything else slowing me down. These XR4s have more aggressive tread and seem to have raised my confidence quite a bit while cornering and in the loose rock. Once I wear these out and get stronger, I think I'll make the move to Maxxis tires again. Alright. I'm cheering you on. Sounds like it's working.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my god.
God damn it.
I'm sorry.
That's fine.
So that's it. Thank you guys for pushing me over 1,000 subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the content, and I'm really hoping to do some road trips here very soon and maybe beat some of this terrible summer we're probably going to have and get some rides done. I have a bad feeling it's going to get hot really fast, and I'm not going to be able to do nearly as much. I'm hoping to get out maybe to Bentonville again. I would really like to go up to Palo Duro Canyon. Maybe I can squeeze all that in before. I've been trying to get to Dallas for like 2.5 months, maybe even 3 months really. But every time I get planned to go, we get a ton of rain. Just like yesterday, we got several inches of rain, and I'm not going to be riding for a while probably. So it makes it really tough when trying to keep up with videos, but know that if I didn't upload a video, I'm definitely aware of it, and I'm definitely planning the next video as quickly as possible. So that's it. I'm going to say it one more time. Thank you again for being a subscriber. If you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and click the button down below. It's just somewhere down there. Thank you again. Click the thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.
Are you filming me?
I'm sorry.
Holy Jesus.